attended the EagleRider maintenance workshop, which I've been really looking forward to for a very long time. For a rider like me that goes out on a solo ride for 3-4 days, this was an excellent experience. And I got to learn a lot about how to handle a bike, how to take care of basic repairs, and how to get on the road. So fantastic experience, lovely crew, and I'm looking forward to more such sessions. Thank you.
That section I'll be showing how to put 2 tubes in a rim tire. Of course, don't try this on a alloy wheel. they don't need this. But if you're running a steel rim, then how to put 2 tubes to avoid that puncture accident that we shared on the group. So if you do that, then you are just lowering the probability of you having an immediate flat.
We generally do rent a bike from EagleRider, so it was really informative on how to change the clutch, how to change the brake pads, how to change the tires if you ever have a puncture. Overall, it was great, and it was very fun meeting other people and other vivid riders. Thank you.
It's not like a classroom thing, we just do everything, just grease your hands. Today is the opportunity. You want to do it another time, happy to do it again, but try to do it yourself.
Hi, my name is Bharti and I ride an Avenger. I came to know about this workshop by Eaglerider Academy, and I have been here for like 2 hours. It's been such a pleasure being here, meeting all these amazing people, and Suparna and the entire team is just amazing. I'm so happy that I came here. Thank you, Suparna, and thank you everybody.